I want to welcome you to the 1888 Eder Schoolhouse. The schoolhouse was built on Lake Jane in 1888 after the original schoolhouse on the site burned down that year. The community raised $400 to rebuild the schoolhouse, and this is the schoolhouse we have today. So this schoolhouse was built to serve about 30 students. It never saw 30 students, but it did see grades 1 through 8 until 1921. When the schoolhouse was finally shuttered, it moved across a field and became a farm building at the Eder farmstead. The Eder family continued to use the building as a shop and tool house until 2000, when the building was moved to this site here and it was restored to become the Eder Schoolhouse we see today.
That's it. So why do you think they have steps?
I'm not sure. I think the building was also used as a community center, so you've got political speeches, you've got voting that's taking place here, you've got potentially you've got English language classes for immigrant adults taking place at night. You've got community gatherings.
Someone uses churches and gives it that homework. So that must happen. Who knows? Like we see a lot of this is all fictional movies. It's interesting. Yeah, those were the days. I don't think I'd come back. I don't think I could get